You've probably heard the term superfoods thrown around a lot, but what does it really mean? These are foods packed with so much nutrition that they can seriously boost your health. We're talking about fighting inflammation, lowering your risk of major diseases like heart disease and diabetes, and even improving your gut health and vision. If you want to take care of your body based on real facts, not just marketing hype, make sure you subscribe to our channel right now. Let's dive into the 13 most nutrient-dense foods on the planet. First up, salmon. Salmon and other fatty fish are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids. These are amazing for preventing heart disease and reducing inflammation. Salmon is also a powerhouse of high-quality protein and essential vitamins like D, and a bunch of B vitamins. Eating it regularly can help you manage your weight and even lower your risk for dementia and depression. Next, we have kale. This leafy green is a true champion. It's overflowing with vitamin C, K, and A, plus minerals like potassium and calcium. Kale is also a great source of fiber and special compounds that act as powerful antioxidants, protecting your body from damage. And number 3, legumes. This group includes beans, peas, and lentils. They are packed with plant-based protein and fiber, which keeps you feeling full and aids digestion. Legumes have a low glycemic index, making them a fantastic choice for managing blood sugar. Plus, they're full of vitamins and minerals like iron and magnesium. Number 4 is the humble egg. Often called nature's multivitamin, eggs contain a little bit of almost every nutrient your body needs. They're an excellent source of protein, healthy fats, and key nutrients like iron and selenium. Eggs also have lutein and zeaxanthin, which are crucial for protecting your eyes as you age. Coming in at number 5, the avocado. This superfruit is famous for its healthy fats, but it also provides protein, fiber, and a wide array of vitamins and minerals. From vitamin C to potassium, avocados have it all, helping to support everything from your heart to your digestive system. Number 6, berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, take your pick. They are bursting with antioxidants that fight inflammation and protect your cells. Berries are also a sweet source of fiber and vitamin C. And since they're low on the glycemic index, they're great for everyone. At number 7, we have nuts. Almonds, walnuts, and pistachios are full of healthy monounsaturated fats, protein, and fiber. They're a crunchy, satisfying snack that delivers vitamins like E and K, plus important minerals. They're fantastic for heart health and keeping you energized. Number 8 is garlic. For centuries, garlic has been used for its medicinal properties. Its active compound, allicin, can help lower blood pressure and cholesterol. It's also a great source of vitamins and minerals, and it has natural antibacterial and anti-cancer properties. Craving something sweet? Number 9 is dark chocolate. Rich in antioxidants, fiber, and minerals like magnesium, it's a guilt-free treat in moderation. Look for dark chocolate with at least 70% cocoa to get the benefits, which include improved heart health and brain function. Number 10 might surprise you. Potatoes. This common root vegetable is an excellent source of potassium, vitamin C, and various minerals. Potatoes are incredibly filling, which can help with weight management. Just be sure to eat them whole, not as processed snacks, to get the full benefits. At 11, we have animal liver. Organ meats are incredibly nutrient-dense. Liver is loaded with high-quality protein, vitamin A, B vitamins, and essential minerals like iron and copper. It's best to eat it in moderation, and pregnant women should avoid it due to its high vitamin A content. Number 12 is shellfish. Oysters and clams are fantastic sources of vitamin B12 and zinc, two nutrients many people are low in. They also provide high-quality protein and other important minerals like selenium and iron, making them a super nutritious choice from the sea. Finally, at number 13, seaweed. Common in dishes like sushi, seaweed is often more nutritious than land vegetables. It's packed with unique minerals from the ocean, including iodine, which is crucial for thyroid health, as well as calcium, iron, and powerful antioxidants. Of course, this list isn't everything. Other fantastic foods worth mentioning are broccoli, spinach, ginger, mushrooms, and sweet potatoes. We hope you found this guide helpful on your journey to better health. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.